राज्यात कोरोना बाधितांचो आंकडो वाढत आसा। आयतारा एकाच दिसा 506 दुयेंती सापडल्यात। आयतारा एकट्याक मरण आयला। आतां मेरेन मरण आयिल्ल्यांचो आंकडो 73 जाला। गोमेकोंतले 23 दोतोर आनी 12 नर्सी कोरोना पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्यात। 12 दोतोर बरे जाल्यात। फोंड्या 220 खाटींचे नवे हॉस्पिटल करतले म्हण भलायकी मंत्र्यान म्हायती दिल्या।
आयज जर स्पायक 506 केसीसचे आसा तर आमकां मुख्यमंत्री कडेन प्रत्येक गोष्ट आयज चर्चा करून आमी निर्णय घेतले। आमी आयज तुमीच हांगा विटनस आमचे कंटिन्युअस 2 मॅरेथॉन मिटींग आमची चालू आहा। आमी प्रत्येक प्रायव्हेट डॉक्टर एक्सपर्ट जो आहा तेजो हेल्प घेवन आमी जे कितें जाग्यार घालूंक जाय जाग्यार घालतात। त्याच बरोबर तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांव आतांच उल्लेख केलो की लोकांनी गरज पडल्यारूच हॉस्पिटलांत येवपाचें। सेमी एमर्जन्सी कोणाची एमर्जन्सी सर्जरी जाली, एक्सिडेंट केस असले ह्यो तरेच्यो गोष्टी, पूण बाकीचे नॉन इसेन्शियल कांय गोष्टी आमी रिस्ट्रिक्ट करपाचे आमचो विचार आहा। हेंची कोमॉर्बिडिटी कंडिशन जे ईएसआय हॉस्पिटल आहा ते ईएसआय हॉस्पिटल मॅनेज करपाक म्हणून डीएचएस, ईएसआय आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे टीम्स एंड डॉक्टर्स तेंचे वेगवेगळे ऑर्डर्स काढल्या। Also, we are seeing that the number of cases is rising in the state of Goa, and it is also जायते कडेन आमी ग्लोबली बी पळयता, आमच्या देशान बी पळयता, पण त्याच तरेन Goa government is also ensuring that appropriate steps are taken from time to time in order to keep a control on what is happening and provide the quality treatment to the people of the state of Goa as per laid down protocols. In joint consultation, myself, Secretary Health, Dean Goa Medical College, Director DHS and Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant यांच्याकडे चर्चा करून we have decided to declare the Ponda Sub-District Hospital as the second COVID hospital. And it is within the next 48 hours, our teams from DHS and from Goa Medical College will be taking charge of the hospital. Patients from there also, arrangements are being made to shift them appropriately to different medical centers. And most importantly, it is necessary that we have a COVID hospital in place. As we speak, and as the media is always aware of various situation that is arising in the state of Goa, we are taking all steps that are required. More than 39 people have come forward to donate the plasma. Our people are creating a cell by which they can deal with the patients and talk to them and counsel them so that more people come forward to give the plasma. हांव तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान विनंती करता गोंयच्या लोकांक जे कोविडांतल्यान भायर सरल्या आनी क्युअर जावन भायर सरल्या की तुमी फुडें येवचे, तुमचे प्लाझ्माचो उपयोग आनी कोणाचे जीवन वाचोवपाक आमकां संदी गावतली। इट्स गोइंग ऑन। आतांच सांगलें हांवें तुमकां की 10तले 3 स्टेटस को 7 लोक हॅव इम्प्रूव्ड। एक गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान एक 23 डॉक्टर जाले आनी 18 नर्सीस जाले।
रिकवर जाले भितरले म्हाका दिसता 12 रिकवर जाले।
रिकवरी बरी आहा तशी।
आता जे ईएस हॉस्पिटल
फुल हांव तुका मिडियाक I have not called the media to give some fake news. I have called you to tell you the reality, and your responsibility is much more to educate the people in terms of awareness, to take precautions. We are here as a state government. That's why Chief Minister already tweeted today, and we have all with that decision that we need additional facility in terms of COVID hospitals. You know my stand on the COVID hospitals. I have always said that we would require at some point of time. So Chief Minister has already agreed. Few days back also we were discussing this, but today the need has come where we require another COVID hospital. We are going to have 3 facilities at the moment, and then we'll figure it out how it goes. We'll see how the virus curve is. Accordingly, with discussion with Chief Minister, we'll take appropriate steps. Building area in GMC. And in addition, within the 48 hours, we are starting moving out patients from the sub-district hospital from today. Within 2 days, we'll have that in place. As we speak, we have to act also. Now, nobody expected a peak of 506 cases happening today, and it needs to be made aware of the public. Please take precautions. Please take care. We care about the people of the state of Goa. Parallelly, we have roped in all experts available so that they can guide us on the protocols that we are using. Also, we are talking, our team is talking with other medical colleges on plasma therapy and also AIMS, what they are doing. And like I said, out of 10 people on which we have administered the plasma, already 7 people are showing signs of improvement and 3 people are status quo. So this is like working on the people. So we need to collect more plasma, and through you we need to appeal to the people, and parallelly more facilities are being put in place.
5 आसा आणि ITU चे 11 आसा। ITU means intensive treatment unit. तुमकां हांव डिटेल्स धाडटा तेन्ना दिता।
आणि प्लस आम्ही थंय हाय डिपेंडन्सी युनिट करपाचें काम चालू ऑलरेडी डिनान केल्लें आसा. दोन्ही कडेन सेम फेसिलिटी असतल्यो आणि दोन्ही हॉस्पिटलान हे सगळें करपाचें काम चालू ऑलरेडी आम्ही.
In addition, we are making high dependency beds, means bed having a ventilator
Next to it.
standby.
वी हॅव गॉट सफिशियंट स्टॉक ऑफ व्हेंटिलेटर आणि एडिशनल HFNO मशीन्स
22.
आणि एडिशनल HFNO मशीन्स जे लागता
हा.
जे जे चड आणि चड गरज आहा ते बी डॉक्टरान ऑर्डर केल्या म्हणजे ते आम्ही
High
आमच्या
flow
patient
nasal
ला-
oxygen facility म्हणतात.